Dear students of class 2, welcome to my channel. I am Masuda Khatun, assistant teacher, Foundation School, Lalmatia, Dhaka. Subject, Social Studies, Chapter 19, Topic, Bangladesh, Districts and Divisions. We know that Bangladesh has 8 divisions and 64 districts. These are Dhaka, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Mymensingh, Khulna, Chittagong, Sylhet and Borishal. Do you know what is this? This one is the map of Dhaka. There are 13 districts in Dhaka. These are Dhaka, Manikganj, Munshiganj, Narayanganj, Norsingdi, Gazipur, Tangail, Kishoreganj, Rajbari, Faridpur, Gopalganj, Madaripur and Shariatpur. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. It stands on the river Buriganga. It is situated at the heart of the country. The major rivers flowing through Dhaka division are the Padma, the Meghna, the Dhaleshwari and the Buriganga. The principal crops are jute, paddy, sugarcane, betel leaf, potato and different kinds of pulses. Jackfruits, banana, guava and pineapple are grown abundantly here. The Bhawal and Madhupur bird is in Dhaka division. Trees like shal and gajari are found here. These trees are used for making furniture. Some questions. How many divisions are there in Bangladesh and what are they? There are 8 divisions in Bangladesh. These are Dhaka, Rajshahi, Chattogram, Khulna, Borishal, Sylhet and Mymensingh and Rangpur. How many districts are there in Bangladesh? There are 64 districts in Bangladesh. Where is Dhaka situated? Dhaka is situated at the heart of the country. How many districts are there in Dhaka? There are 13 districts in Dhaka. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home.